I've seen.
Go find an employee and ask.
Huh?
Go find an employee and ask.
And ask him why. Because we can't get one.
Oh.
We can get a pet.
Hello. Hello. Hi. It's a little friend. Are you a little friend? Yeah? Are you small? Yeah? Hello. Hello. What you doing up there? What you doing? What's you doing? Oh, you're making yourself big. Are you making yourself big? These ones are so tiny. They're so little. They're just a handful of bird, like J for scale. Well, I'm not that close to them. They're small. They're this big. They're small. Are you sleepy? Are you chomping? Are you sleepy? These are my friends. They're so cute. I cannot have these because I have kiddos.